How to add Find My widget on iPhone home screen. To get started, first of all press and hold a blank area until your apps start to jiggle, then tap on Edit in the top left corner. From the drop-down menu at the top, tap Add Widget Options. This will open the widget gallery, where you can browse and add a variety of available widgets. On the widget screen, you can use the search bar for convenience. Scroll down the list of applications to find and tap on Find My. You can swipe left or right to preview the different available formats and sizes for the widget. Once you've chosen, tap the Add Widget button at the bottom of the screen. The widget will be placed on your home screen. Once finished, tap on Done at the top right corner. Following these steps, you can easily add widgets to your iPhone home screen. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.